Hello guys, today we're going to talk about different ways to give emphasis when speaking. First, we're going to watch a performance by Kodi at America's Got Talent. Then, we're going to express opinions with different emphatic forms.
Welcome.
Hello.
Welcome to America's Got Talent. What's your name?
I'm Kodi.
Hi, Kodi.
I'm Kodi.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Yeah. What are you going to do here for us today?
I'm gonna sing a song for you on the piano.
Tina, tell us a little bit about Kodi.
Kodi is blind and autistic.
Oh.
Wow.
Go for it.
You ready?
I'm ready. I've been to so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs and I made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my life in stages, 10,000 people watching, yeah. We're alone now, and I'm singing this song to you. I love you in a place, oh, there's no space or time. I love you from my life. You're a friend of mine. But when my life is over, remember we're together. We're alone now, and I'm singing a song to you.
This is how we can express our opinion. It was such an amazing performance. His performance was so amazing. We can use so and such to give it emphasis. We use so before an adjective, and such before an adjective plus a noun. We often follow these structures with that clauses to talk about consequences. For example, his performance was so amazing that everybody was up on their feet. It was such an amazing performance that everybody was up on their feet. Another form to express emphasis is using do and did. Watch this scene from the TV show Friends and notice how Ross uses the auxiliary verb do.
Hey, anybody want to meet a hero?
John Glenn is here?
No, Joey.
Phoebes, we had the most incredible night. Okay, so we're in the car.
Wait, hold on. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so we're in the car, right? And bang! A shot was fired. And Joey, with no regard for his own safety, throws himself on me.
My God, Joey.
It was a car backfire.
Yeah, but he didn't know that.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
And it could have just as easily have been a bullet.
Hey, Joe, you ever think about joining the force? We could use a guy like you. Who jumps at loud noises.
Wow. I could have died tonight.
Yeah, if the car that backfired had run over you. You know what? I'm gonna go home before Ross starts rambling about his newfound respect for life.
I do have a newfound respect for life.
Oh my God.
Ross could have said, I have a newfound respect for life. But when he adds the auxiliary verb do and says, I do have a newfound respect for life, he's making the meaning of the sentence stronger. We can use the auxiliaries do, does, and did to add emphasis to what we want to say. And to finish our study about the grammar in Unit 3, let's talk about the words too and not enough. Watch a scene from the movie The Last Samurai and notice how the character refers to the mental process using the word mind. Pay attention that the word mind in the scene is a noun which may refer to thoughts or concerns.
Please forgive. Too many mind.
Too many mind?
Hi. Mind the sword. Mind the people watch. Mind the enemy. Too many mind. No mind.
No mind.
When the character says too many mind, he's talking about an excessive number of concerns and an excessive use of the mind, and the result is consequently bad. And finally, watch a passage of the music video Not Enough by Van Halen. See that despite all the things he has, they're just not sufficient to have the kind of love he wants. We use to say something is more than what we need, and not enough when it's less than what we need. In both cases, the result is bad because it's not the amount we expect or need to obtain. So guys, this is all the grammar you must know regarding Unit 3. So keep on studying and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.